This is a download from QuickBooks at year end, and it has I use a printout of the classification side by side from QuickBooks, and I upload it into Excel. So this is a cleaned up version of the financial statement with the activities and the events and the total. I make sure that the other classification has nothing in it. If you've worked with QuickBooks, you know that if you don't allocate to any classification at all, it throws it into others. So I use that to make sure it's cleaned up. This is the total for the financial statement here. That agrees with the financial statement, and then I just change it to accounting convention. The next step is to take items that we could not allocate directly to one of the events or activities, and I left those in operations, and then we just allocate it. So this would mean 75% is staying in operations, whatever that number is right there, $100. So if you get over here to this side, your activities have $75 in it, when the rest is allocated amongst the other items. It's just a pretty simple allocation formula. Once that's done, I then can go over and a worksheet which I designed for the 990, and I plunk it in and take all the formulas out. Then I use SUMIF right here to pull together based on the line numbers I've assigned to each category. Once that's done, we can start working on the financial statement, and this is a comparative, of course. This is your statement of financial position, statement of activities, statement of cash flows, statement of functional activities. This is a matrix I use to make sure each item is in balance. So you'll want to have, say, the ending position on the financial statement position to agree with the ending statement on the cash flow for cash and for the funds, and here it is. So that's all there is to it. And once that's done, I do the footnotes in Word, and then it transfers to the tax return. Once the worksheet is done, it's a pretty simple thing to transfer over to, I use H&R Block Business to do the 990s. That's just a matter of inputting the data on the various forms. Nothing real exciting about it. Let's get over here to the form that has, here it is, that has our program expenses, our management and general expense, and fundraising expenses. And then there's all sorts of other schedules. For those of you who prepared 990s, you know this is the fact. So that's the end of this little demo. I hope you enjoyed it. See you down the line.